Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome back to the Night Gambit TV. In today's video, I am going to give you two different chess tactics you never seen. Okay, first move is white end. In 12 moves, white win by checkmate. You can see here, this particular chess game, white has less pieces, black has so many pieces. If you think black win the game, but black cannot win the game, what white win amazingly. You can see how to white win the game. Okay, you can see how to white win the game. Okay, first move is white check. White knight go to f6 and brilliant check. Now king come to here, then another check with knight. Okay, in this particular chess game, black king need to move. King come to here on g6. Okay, now another move of white end. White knight go to, oh, no. White bishop go to here and brilliant check and cut the knight. Then white play, get the queen. Then go to the knight, go to f7 and brilliant check. In this particular chess game, now beautiful check with king and wrap the queen. Now here's the fork now. Okay, now king come to here and cut the queen and check. Then king come to here and now black king is totally checkmate idea for white pieces. Okay, another move of black 10. Black get the queen. Yeah, in 2-3 moves black get the queen. No, black did not get the queen. Black get the knight. You can see why black get the knight in this particular chess game. If black there, this is chaos, because if white come to here and brilliant checkmate, that's why black played amazingly. Now knight come to here, pawn come to here and get the knight. Okay, you can see another move of white. White go back to here on white go to d5. Okay, then another move, another pawn come to here, then bishop come to here. Bishop idea is white bishop idea is bring the bishop to here and make the check and make a brilliant checkmate. What he cannot do anything here, because this pawn come to here and get the knight and attack this particular chess box. Okay, we will see one by one. Now he come to here on knight. Now white cannot do anything here. What totally this game, you can see here, black has so many pieces. You think black win easily, what black cannot win the game, this particular chess game, because you can see how to playing smartly what. Okay, another move of white bishop go to there. Okay, bishop idea ways, bishop go to here and make the brilliant checkmate. That's why bishop go to there. You can see here now another move of knight go to e2. You can see here knight go to e2, the 10th move of black check. Okay, now 11th move is bishop e8 and brilliant check. No, bishop e8 and brilliant check. In this particular chess game, now black has one option here. Black make the check with knight. Okay, knight come to here, cut the knight and brilliant checkmate. That's it. This is the best tactics you never seen in the any video. Okay, this is best and amazing chess tactics forever. We can go to the second tactic. Okay, if you enjoy this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, let's go to the second tactics of this particular chess game. The tactics day today. Today is Friday. Today is tactics of the day. That's why I am going to give you the tactics for the chess lovers and chess friends. I am going to give you like this. Okay, let's go to the second tactics. Okay.
Welcome to Night Gambit TV is not just a channel to earn money. The main goal is to help chess players grow, from complete beginners to future grandmasters. This channel is created to inspire and motivate chess players, teach powerful tactics and strategies. Chess builds strong thinking and confidence. Fire guide beginners step by step to higher levels. Every video is made with one purpose: backhand index pointing right to improve your chess skills and mindset. Winning games is important, but improving your thinking is the real victory.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the Night Gambit TV. In today's video, I am going to give you second best and amazing chess tactics you never seen. In 2 moves, white win by checkmate. You can see how to white win the game. I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. Please watch until finish this video. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is queen go to a8. Okay, queen go to a8. Then black 10 now. Black need to move his rook to c1. Okay, now knight come to d6 and discovered checkmate now. Because you can see why this is checkmate. This king cannot go there. Okay, because there is a bishop. He can come to here. Okay, there is a rook and he cannot come here. There is a rook. Then he cannot come here. There is a knight. Okay, now this knight make a brilliant checkmate and this queen attack this line. Okay, this is tactics of the day, Friday. Every Friday I am going to give you tactics for the chess friends and chess lovers. Okay, that's it today video. We will see tomorrow another section of this particular chess game of puzzle challenge day. Tomorrow is puzzle challenge day. Today is tactical day. That's why I am going to give you 2 different and amazing chess tactics you never seen. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone. Thank you.